Hello everyone, this is Adesh, your math professor. Today we are going to learn an important topic of mathematics, that is trigonometry. So if you are willing to learn about trigonometry, then this video is for you. So let's begin without wasting our time. So the trigonometric functions which we are going to learn today are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So let us consider the following example. As you can see, one figure is drawn on the board. So you can see that one man is standing at point C and he is looking at the top of the light pole. So here man is at point C and AB is our light pole, but he is not looking straight, he is looking upwards, right? So if I am the man and I am looking at the top of the light pole, so one angle is formed. Okay, I am looking with some angle. So let us call this angle as theta. So theta is the angle which is formed by the man when he is looking upwards. Now two things are clear to you. That is, man is at point C and AB is light pole. So we have mentioned that. So this is light pole AB and man at point C. Now we can see one thing, that CB is exactly perpendicular to AB. So one right angle triangle ABC is formed. Okay, so ABC is right angle triangle. Now we know that AC is the longest side of right angle triangle and we call longest side as hypotenuse. Perfect. So AC is our hypotenuse. Now we can see that distance between man and light pole is CB or BC. So we have written that. So distance between man and light pole is B and C. Okay. So let's begin with our trigonometric function. So our first trigonometric function is sin theta. Okay. So our first trigonometric function is sin theta. Okay. So formula for sin theta is opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. So opposite side upon hypotenuse. So as we know that opposite side of theta is AB, okay, and AC is the hypotenuse. So we can say that sin theta is equal to AB upon AC. So sin theta is AB upon AC, that is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Second, so second function is cos theta. Okay, so formula for cos theta is adjacent side, this adjacent side of theta. Theta is touching CB. So adjacent side means जो side बाजू में रहती है, that is adjacent side. So side touching theta. So cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay, so we can write cos theta as CB upon AC. So CB upon AC. So this is our formula for cos theta. So our next trigonometric function is tan theta. Okay, so formula for tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So our third function is tan theta. So tan theta is opposite side of theta upon adjacent side of theta. So it goes like this. So tan theta is AB upon CB. Okay. So sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. Now if we'll divide sin theta by cos theta, what happens? Hypotenuse gets cancelled, okay, and we get opposite side upon adjacent side. So that is formula for tan theta. So we can also say that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So this is one more formula for tan theta. So our next trigonometric function is cosec theta. Okay, so these three functions are inverse of these three functions. So I have done star mark here. So we can say that cosec theta is inverse of sin theta. That is, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Okay, so I can write it is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side. As we all know that sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So cosec will be hypotenuse upon opposite side. Exactly reciprocal of this. So it will be AC upon AB. So we got cosec theta is AC upon AB. So our next trigonometric function is sec theta. Similarly, sec is inverse of cos theta. So we can write sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. That is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. That is AC upon CB. So this is sec theta. And our last trigonometric function is cot theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So we can say that it is equal to adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent side upon opposite side. So that is CB upon AB. Now we know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, we will get one more formula for cot theta. That is, cot theta will be sin theta upon cos theta. So we can write cot theta as opposite of sin theta upon cos theta. That is cos by sin. So these were 6 important trigonometric functions. Hope so all your concepts are clear. Thank you.